Today I'm just gonna make a beat that sounds like it fits on the new Drake and 21 Savage album, Her Loss. Let's just get right into it. So I was going through a couple of samples and I found this, and it sounds like it has like an old school vibe, which a lot of those beats on that album have, and it has some vocals in it too, which is good, and it fits the vibe of a few of the beats that are on that album. I think I'm gonna start at a tempo of 144. I'm gonna stretch that sample. So let's turn this on to stretch mode. Let's stretch it to fit this tempo. All right, now I'm gonna chop it up, click the drop down, go to time based, do some manual chopping. So right here, I'm just finding out what key I stretched it to, because it's not like I went and I pitched it over here. I just stretched it, and by time stretching it, it's gonna change the pitch. On that sample, I'm going to throw an EQ, and we're going to kind of muffle it. So if you listen to that album, a lot of those samples, the lows out and you got a lot of the highs out, and it gives it this like huge amount of room for vocals and for 808s and kicks and low end and stuff. I'm going to use this 808 right here. I think I want to pitch these hats down a bit. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to format it out a little bit and play the full beat right after this. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you get me.